Hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for yoga in the office, specifically using your chair. So I'm going to take you through some poses that you can do in your chair or on your chair while you're at work. So we'll start up standing first. So you can come behind the chair here this way, and you're just gonna press yourself down, just let yourself hang. You can either catch the chair or bring the wrists over the head of the chair. It's kind of like downward facing dog here, where you're just finding an inversion. You're allowing your heart to be above your head, dropping your neck down. You can bend the knees if that feels good, and take your sits bones back and maybe straighten the legs. And then on your inhale, you can lift up, catch the top of the chair, and then exhale, bend the elbows into the chest. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, release. Let's do it again. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, release. One more time, and walk your feet back or forward as you need to adjust. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten the arms from the backs of the shoulders. Exhale, fold. Good. The next sequence, you can step the right foot forward and bend the right knee. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten that right leg. Exhale, bend. One more. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Now take a deep inhale, lift your chest up, and then exhale, you can move the chair forward and straighten the leg as you fold here. Inhale, lift up and bend. And try and pull the right hip socket back as you straighten on the exhale and fold. Last one. Inhale, bend the knee, lift up. Exhale, straighten and fold. You can allow the wrists to release over the head of the chair and just hang out here. And then when you're ready, you'll inhale to bend the front knee. You'll step the left foot forward, bring the chair back, and extend the right leg. Take a deep breath in, straighten the leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. One more. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend the knee. So from here, you're going to inhale, straighten the leg. And then exhale, fold forward, pushing the chair forward. Inhale, bend your knee this time, lift your chest up, shoulders back. And then exhale, straighten and fold. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, bend that left knee, lift your chest up. Exhale, straighten and fold. You can hold here for a little bit. When you're ready, you'll inhale, lift up, catch the top of the chair, and then you're gonna step your feet together. Now, you'll bring the chair back, and you can take a seat. The next sequence that we're gonna do, you're gonna start by bringing your right ankle to your left knee. Flex the toes on the right foot just to protect that left leg. You're gonna take your right hand and you're gonna press your left thigh down. You can also use the left hand to help. Now, as you're dropping that right thigh down, I want you to lift your right hip flexor up into the hands. Good. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale, release down. Let's do one more like that. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, release into your hands. Good. Let's do the other side. So you can inhale, extend, point the toes, and then exhale, drop the foot down. On the other side, you're gonna bring that left ankle to the top of the right knee. Flex the left toes. You'll take your left hand and you're gonna bring the palm down and really press into that thigh. Now you can take your right hand on top of your left to help press it down a little further. As you inhale, you want to lift your hip flexor on the left side up, and then exhale, release. Good, let's do it again. Inhale, resist by lifting up, and then exhale, release. Good, release your hands. Inhale, extend the leg, and then exhale, bring it down. Now, if you're feeling really good, feeling open, you can do double pigeon, figure 8, with both legs. So you'll start out by bringing that right leg into a right angle as much as you can. You might want to do this on the floor instead of the chair, but if you have to be inconspicuous at work, this works too. Then you can place the left leg on top. Hold here about 5 to 10 breaths and really focus on dropping the right and the left sit bones down, right? Taking a deep breath in and then allowing that left hip to open a little bit deeper. You can even fold forward. Maybe look at the computer screen or just relax your neck here. Inhale, lift up. Now, if you're a little bit more open, you can do the same sequence, but to get a deeper stretch, try stacking the knees on top of one another here. And you can either hold the feet or just let the arms hang, up to you. But holding the feet makes it a little bit more dynamic, especially if you're sitting upright. Or you can just fold forward, hooking the chin over the knee or bringing the forehead to the chin, to the knee, and then just allowing your hands to hang here. 5 to 10 breaths, and when you're ready, you'll inhale, lift up, and then slowly allow the left leg to release, and then the right leg. Let's do that on the other side. So left leg into a right angle as much as you can do it on the chair. And then you'll bring the right leg on top. Now you might need to put a block or even a blanket if you have one at work between the knee and the foot. If this is enough, just sitting upright here, that's totally fine. So take a deep breath in, lift your chest up. You can hold the edges of the chair or exhale, fold forward any amount. You'll do about 5 to 10 breaths here. And then when you're ready, you'll lift up. Now, if you're a little bit more open, again, you'll stack the knees on top of one another. Try to see if you can center the knees so that you can really ground those sits bones into the chair. And then you can catch the feet, flexing the toes, shoulders back. Take a deep breath in, stay upright. Or fold forward. You can hook the chin over the knee, or you can bring the forehead down. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Breathing deeply. Doing 5 to 10 breaths, and when you're ready, you'll inhale, lift up. And then you'll exhale, slowly release. Right leg first and then left. Another thing you can also do at your desk, which you may already do at work, you want to sit on the edge of your chair for this one. And you're going to take your left hand to the outside of the right knee. And you have a couple of options. You can catch the top right corner of the chair with your left hand and use that to help you twist. Shoulders down, Or you can take that right hand and catch the top of your left thigh and pull your left thigh back. It's up to you. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out for 1. Inhale. Exhale for 2. 1 more deep breath in. Exhale 3. I would do 3 to 5 breaths of that one. Let's take it on the other side. So you're going to take your right hand to the outside of your left knee. And then you can catch the left corner of the chair with the right hand, shoulders back, chest up, and use that to continue to twist from the thoracic spine, the mid-spine. Or you can take your right hand and catch, left hand and catch your right hip flexor, pull it back, shoulders back. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out for 1. Inhale. Exhale for 2. Breathe in. Breathe out for 3. Inhale, look forward, and then exhale, release. The last thing I'll have you do, now you can either put your legs in the orientation that I just went through before, where your legs are at a figure 8 position. So you can either do it here, or you can do both legs at the same time, or you can just keep your legs where they're at and just focus on the shoulders. So you're gonna bring your arms into cactus arms, creating right angles at the elbows. On your inhale, you're gonna lift your shoulders up. You're gonna open, and then exhale, bring them back and down. Inhale up, open, exhale back and down. Inhale up, open, exhale back and down. Let's do 2 more. Inhale up, open, bring your ribs in, exhale back and down. Inhale up, open, exhale back and down. Inhale, you can lift the arms up. And then exhale, slowly bringing the shoulders down the back, ribs in, releasing the fingertips. Hopefully that'll give you a little bit more of a respite during your workday.